What's up, Joe Crew? It's your boy Joe back with another vlog today. This time we're doing Nasi Lemak, and this is the rendang or rendang. I can't remember the words.
Rendang.
Rendang. All right, it's on special here for this month, as the Nasi Lemak is a famous dish here in Malaysia. But you can check out some authentic Nasi Lemak from my Georgetown vlogs. But in this is you got chicken, which is like a curry-based chicken, egg, anchovies on rice, cucumber, sambal, and let me see what else. And some have peanuts in it, but you can see the anchovies. All right.
The rice is coconut milk, right?
Yeah, coconut milk rice. Then we also got our chendol, which is a famous dessert here. McDonald's made it into a McFlurry. Then we got a corn pie filled with some corn filling. All right. As I'll dig in. Oh, did I mention the egg? I don't know. All right, let me dig in here. All right, smells good. Oh, you could just cut the chicken down, very tender, juicy. Yeah, you can cut it with the spoon. Very good. Definitely sambal-y or a curry type taste to it. But I like Nasi Lemak, but I don't think this is going to compare to Ali's.
Which one do you like better?
Obviously, Ali's in downtown Georgetown on Beach Street, I believe. All right, let me try some of the rice here in the egg. By all means, if you come to Malaysia, go to an authentic place for Nasi Lemak, but McDonald's, they made it into their own version. Very good. Oh, that sambal is spicy. So if you're not a spice lover, probably don't get it. Now, this also comes in a fried chicken or a spicy chicken version with this. And it's available all year. The rendang is only available for this short month, just like the shamrock shakes back in the States. No, but yeah, this coconut milk rice and anchovies, pretty good. The eggs, pretty good too. Seems very authentic.
What is the spice level?
The spice level, I'd probably say, give it a 5 or a 6. 5 or 6 for sure. Now we got our chendol. The green stuff in it is the chendol. There you go. That is sweet. Chendol is usually a shaved ice with these green things and has red beans in it, and they top it off with milk. Yeah, they top it off with milk, and they made it into a McFlurry. I gotta say, I gotta get the authentic stuff down on, what is it, Teochew or
Your chendol.
Yeah.
Penang Road.
Yeah, the chendol at Penang Road, it's phenomenal if you're in Penang. I mean, this is alright, but I like the Black Forest and the chocolate Oreo a lot more. Gotta be honest. You know, well, not bad, but I probably wouldn't go out of my way to get it. Now the corn pie. I'll be honest, not looking for it. I usually like sweet pies, but this is more of a savory pie, I believe. So let's give it a shot. Mm. And there's like some corn-looking pudding in it.
Is it savory or is it sweet?
Um,
It should be sweet.
I'll be honest, it's a little more sweeter than I thought it was gonna be. I gotta say, it's corn with vanilla pudding. That's what the inside tastes. That's what it tastes like, at least to me. But yeah, very good. Actually, a very good pie. Better than I thought. So probably my favorite though was the rendang, or rendang, or rendang, Nasi Lemak. If you want a quick bite to eat, or stick to something that you're familiar with, come to McDonald's. But I honestly, if you're here in Malaysia, go to the authentic street food places. That's where the best is. And I guarantee that. But McDonald's, I'd say, is pretty decent on this stuff. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's it for the video. And also, I just want to promote, I started a new channel with my wife, The Journey of Joel. That's out now. The trailer's going to come across the screen. And if I can't get it across all edited, I'll put it on the outro. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Peace.